Welcome to Food Formulas. Let's make crispy egg French fries. Take two potatoes. Peel them. Cut them in thick slices. Add them in a bowl. Add black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon. Salt, half teaspoons. Chili flakes, 1 teaspoon. Paprika powder, 1 teaspoon. Corn flour, 1 tablespoon. All-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon. Add 1 egg. Combine them well. You can mix with your hands. Take a frying pan and pour oil. Heat the oil on medium flame. Once the oil is heated, add one by one. Fry them until they are cooked well. Turn off the flame when they turn golden brown. They are ready to eat. Hope you like the recipe. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.